Hello there, my name's Josh Hares from the Milk Station Company, and this is a quick demonstration of how we clean a milk vending machine. Just a quick note about this machine. We are at our demonstration site that we run, and we've had this machine covered in vinyl for two reasons. One, it's good to advertise, it's good to advertise where we are and what the machine sells, and also it does make it easier to clean, especially under the door area here where there is some likely spills and drips will be easily seen. So a nice vinyl underneath here will help to keep the machine looking clean. Anyway, going to cleaning. The first thing to do is open the control door here and switch the cleaning program on, which is this switch here, just like that. And then rinsing key will appear on this screen here. Next thing we do, unbuckle the main door and open up. As you can see in this machine, we have two 25-litre tanks. Is how this customer would like to run it. Obviously we're drawing out of that back tank at the moment. This is another tank of fresh milk to be connected. This is the straw and hose that sucks the milk through, and this is the mixing paddle. Just down to here, we need 2 buckets of fresh water. The grey bucket here has got warm water in, approximately 60 degrees. And to which we add approximately 50 ml of phosphoric acid, which will give you a dilution ratio of 1 to 100, so it's about 5 litres of water and 50 ml of phosphoric acid, which is about that much. So we'll get this ready, open up the machine, and then we'll remove the straw from the churn, and stick it into the rinsing solution as such. So the next step, with the rinsing program on, we look inside, and on the membrane keypad, push number 1 to activate the pump. And as we can now hear, the pump is running and the water is flushing through the system, cleaning the straw, the lines, the pump, the flow meter and the nozzle. And it's running down through here, and then from there it's going into this container here, which collects the dirty water. So we run the 5 litres through, which approximately take 2 minutes. So now we have cleaned the paddle, we will reattach the paddle. So inside the machine, this is the fresh milk which we will be using still. So the paddle goes into the churn and then up under here. Screws back. Onto the shaft like that. Like so. We then take the straw, which is now clean with water in, and reinsert that into the milk like that, and making sure that the straw and the paddle sure the straw and the paddle are on different sides of the churn so they don't interfere with each other. The next thing to do is remove the water from the line. So if you go in there, I'll start the pump and you can see the milk come through the lines. Just like that. So the milk is now back in the lines, the system has been cleaned and it is ready to go. So we turn off the cleansing program, like so, and the display here will show that it is ready to insert money again. Close the buckle, up the front.